Hey, morning peeps. Top of the morning, man. Why? You notice what I have on now? 2 masks, double mask, you know, man, I tell you. I have to be putting on, I have to be wearing 2 masks now because guess what now? There's a medication that I'm taking, right? That suppresses my immune system. So I cannot afford to go out and catch any virus right now. So I have to be wearing 2 masks to protect myself. But I'm going to do some fishing this morning. I'm heading out on the jetty now. I have my cast net here. See if I can cast some bait and make a quick move, you know. I can't stay too long because I don't want the crowd. Because as you know already, I can't stay around people where maybe coughing or virus and all kind of stuff, you know. So I don't know who is who. So I have to just wear 2 masks. So we're going to catch a bait and get back to you guys, alright? So stay tuned. Soon come back. Alright people, so we're heading on out of here now. I'll get some bait, you know. I was trying to cast it, but the bait them too deep into the water, so can't catch them. So guys, I'm on the spot now, right? Yeah. I look some snook in the morning here on live bait, you know? I don't even know if the bait them still alive. Eh? Yeah. Enough climbing enough for you know. Yeah, so yeah man, so I'm gonna set out the live bait here now, yeah? But I use a bang right now. A bang, you know, if them still alive. Much of them still alive, brother. Like all of them still alive, you know. Alright, bang! Whoa! Alright, so turn this man. I'm picking out the back still because I don't want to pin him out the nose. I want him to swim up. Come man, what the hell is that? Come man. You want to swim up. When you pin it at the back, the bait tends to swim up. I want him to swim up and stuck on the bottom, you know, so I give him that little. I'm not putting too far now there, you know. Right near the surf right here, so water look rough still, but so the soup them like it, you know. Whoa, don't wake me up so early, man. What you deal with? What you deal with? What don't want to wake me up? One here right there. Right in the trough right here, so there's a little trough at the front there, so let's see where I sit this one. I put out another rod now, see? Yeah. Another rod. So one of the live bank on it. And I will set out a cut bait now on this one. I won't go get hung up. Yeah, sometimes you have some hang up out here, so you know. Really alive. You can be there, put him out and get a use of him, man, before anything. So we are going to put out snapper. Alright guys, as you see, I set up my line already. Put out a live bang a while ago, and then Daren putting out his 2 live bang down there. So just see some fisherman a while ago. Now them not biting, so you know sometimes the fish them don't bite artificial, they more live bait. So me come with live bait now, so I don't know if the luck I got change for me, you know. But I try with the live bait now and see me have a live bang out, and I'm gonna cut up a little. Well, I might put out another live one on the small rod too and see. And when them, if they bait them, no make it, me just cut them, use them as cut bait and try to catch up snapper. So we have a little while out here, alright? So stay tuned, this will come back to you, alright? Yeah. Yeah, Daren look up and snapper now, you know.
Like say
It happens so fast, right? That didn't catch a fight.
Every time you set out a bait halfway inside and you get snapper.
And I says the still like a good 12 inch. 12 inches in there. Yes, Daren man. Fish on every time, Daren. Yeah. Yes. Much in measure, but the man is so much in measure there. Twelve inches, eh? You can say a good 12 inch one. Nice one there. Put him on at the back, on my back there. Put him on. Yeah, so Daren catch a snapper then, yeah. We still at it same way. We look sneak now, and stuff really I look, but snapper come myself go. Yeah. Hey, what kind of fish? Snapper. A snapper this, you know? Better say a snapper this. Fish on Panama again. Snapper. See me, snapper, see me. No man, I about 12 inches, see me. See the guy, snapper.
Turn on.
Yeah, the snapper bite turn on.
Snapper bite turn on.
Alright,
one way down so you get one way down so.
Yeah.
Look how far apart with it.
And there's a bang him take, you know. A big bang, you know. No, that's right, That's right. Them to the far.
And then I trap you.
Yeah, right now I trap. Them there at the trap I search. And you see what happened now? A live bait they want this man and a cut bait. You know see it? Hey, one live bang. See the guys? Nice snap about a 12 inch at the start to 11, you know. I can measure it. I can measure him. Alright? But more get this thing in the mouth and I can hold him. Alright, good. Circle looking at corner and mouth, alright?
One right after that, I want a bigger one. Because I want a bigger one.
Oh, little past 12, you know, man. A little past 12.
Yeah, little past 12. You want to more past than what you want tiny bit. This one. Yeah, man. Nice size snapper there.
Yeah, nice snapper that piece. Alright, so go back out from that one. Alright, so we go back out again. You come for snook and snapper biting, so why not take the snapper? So me I say, come on, I don't want to scratch now. Come, give me a touch. Give me a bang. Give me a bang, another bang. You know, so, because I still want a snapper, a snook still, you know. So I put him out now, put out that one here again. There, out there again, so put him back out now and see. So him gone back, put him back out. Fish on, nice snapper this, you know. Snapper, you know. Yeah. Come in, brother, come in.
Snapper, oi. Tayo na the bait yan, no, man.
Yeah, brother. Nice stuff. Another lucky one.
Black snapper, you know.
The people see that one more snapper. Nice snapper this one. What's it look like? Something hit off him tail already.
Yeah, what? Like somebody near eat him.
Yeah man, something attack him already, you see?
Attack.
The tail. So you will get injured long time.
Well, make it, no, can't attack him again.
You can't attack him again.
You attack him now and get
Pat.
him.
Pat him again.
Yeah man, I pat attack him man.
The pat attack him and you know, see
Yeah,
the
man.
people? Mangrove snapper again, you know. You see, hold on. Let me jam again and see.
Look at 6 seconds, yeah.
All of them over legal, you know. See that? I'm not check the cut off tail, you know. See the people? I'm not check the cut off tail, you know. See, right over 12, you know, see me, you know.
What pink tail, you know what?
Yes, I know, see him that. Put him in the box there, put him in. Yeah.
Ano kaya ito mo na ang kaya mo?
Kami na ano more na, beat na run so good. Them beat, I'm probably na beat na de point them. Milo sa apak na fuga pak na do. No beat na de.
No ba pa?
Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna put him up back again, people. You see that? 2 snapper that now, 2 mangrove. 2 mangrove and then last bait is now the last stuff it. See if we can catch another mangrove. And that is it, you know people? Yeah, so still catch something, still catch for dinner. 2 mangrove snapper. Daren catch one like 3. And then I 1 year go out, the rest don't catch one like this, but you catch one, that's alright. Oh, that's all, alright. Alright peeps. So let me finish now, so I'm going to try a cut bait right down this side here. I move from down to the first part of it, me and Daren did a fish a while ago, and then move down a little now to the regular spot, far down. Yeah. Far man, gone out far. Yeah, so I'm going to see if we can catch a snapper right, because sometimes the snapper them bite right here, so you know. Yeah man, so I'll make a one try here first and then see what I got. Alright, let's just wait now and see. Alright, so that one, oh, that's one we're going to put out for the time being, you know. And see if anything, this is not for them to bite hard, let's go for the other rat. But right now, just one rat, test rat, it's a test rat. Test out if anything in the water, alright, so come back with. Yeah peeps, so we're still at it same way guys. Still trying to catch a snapper at this spot, but we're not feeling anything at this spot, so guess what now? We have to go just pack up and go home. Let's go take up them 2 snapper there and cook them up, you know. Yeah man. Catch and cook there today, you know. No, I catch 2 snapper, I catch 2 12 inch. Over 12 inch, I'm a little bit over 12 inch, both of them. So I'll just carry them home and just do a little cook up, you see what I say? Yeah. Daren, we know Daren I do 3 months still, but we know I cook up my own today. Yeah, but just hold on another hour, and if we don't catch anything, straight home. Catch and cook there, so if anything, see you at home. But if we catch another one, we'll see the action, then we go home. So we soon come back. I clean up them 2 snapper here because I'm not catching up more, so I'm gonna clean up them 2 snapper here, carry them home and deal with them. See them people. Man say I got throw him back. They may have big 12 inches snapper man. Past the legal size 10 inches, long time. Snapper yeah, I'll go home with you now, see it. Come on, clean up and everything. See them now, yeah. clean up already. Alright guys, so we're going to prepare some curry fish today, you know, the snappers that I caught yesterday, the 2 snappers. We're going to do some curry fish today, right? So we're going to do something else. We're going to cook something else along with the curry fish. Alright, I bet you guys couldn't tell me what we're going to cook today. Alright, you see that tree behind me? It's called a moringa tree. This is the moringa tree. This is the bearing from the moringa tree. That is what we're going to cook today. Alright, along with the curry fish. See there? Who know that moringa the bearing could eat? I know that people know that the leaf can boil the tea. Right? Who know that the bearing can eat? Yeah? Yeah man, the bearing can eat. The Indian people long time ago, the Indians used to cook this thing. The bearing. And the bearing tastes very nice, and I eat it before, you know. Yeah, my grandfather used to eat it. And almost all of my family used to eat it. Only probably Kevin never used to eat it, and the little ones now coming up, but I eat it, my mother eats it, my father used to eat it, my grandfather, my grandmother, my uncles, everybody used to eat it. And then we have it from that time we have the tree until now, and this is what the tree come to right here. Alright, so we're going to cook some of that today. Alright, and you're going to see how we cook it, and I'm going to tell you how it tastes. I know it tastes good enough, but I'm going to tell you how it tastes on camera. Alright, so let us get busy now. We're going to pick some, get it prepared, and then get into the kitchen. So stay tuned. This is what I picked from the tree, right? This is the bearing, as I tell you, moringa, right? Alright people, see there? This is how you scrape it, right? This is how we scrape it. You have to scrape off the outside of it. You have to scrape all of them, right? So you just take a knife. You know, you have some little knife looking like grater, like some like bread knife. It have a little edge on it, on the blade. Just use it to scrape it. Alright guys, see there now, yeah, we're ready now, we're ready for the kitchen. Alright, so let's go. This is the thing that we're going to eat. This is the inside of the moringa, right? But when I'm eating it, I'll show it to you, alright? But this is the inside, this is the part that you eat. See, look young, this can eat, right? And then we have some seasoning right here, see there? Onion and scallion, and we have some all-purpose curry. Don't forget the curry, this is the curry, real Indian curry.
Curry, Indian curry.
Right, Indian curry, yes. So mommy at it there now.
Alright.
Yeah, man, this is the curry.
Good.
Little all-purpose, no, black pepper. Oh,
black
that is black pepper. So she mix up the container. This will be all-purpose, so she mix it up. Maggi all-purpose, black pepper.
And the curry powder.
And then our curry. This is the main ingredient, curry. Right? Indian curry. Alright, so. And then now she's going to cut up now onion and scallion in it now.
Scallion.
People, see their finished product, alright? So we still share it out now and stuff. Alright guys, so these are the 2 mangrove snappers I caught yesterday. I caught them yesterday. Remember I said I was going to cook them yesterday? But I never wanted to cook them because mommy saw them and said that she wanted to cook some curry fish and merengue today. So I just saved them until today. So I go and cut up. I see I cook the merengue. See mommy cook the merengue this morning. So I go and cut up the fish now and let her cook the curry fish. Yeah man, so we cut it up now. We are going to wash it off with some vinegar. See it here? Alright people, we're in the kitchen now, season up time. Alright, so the cut up seasoning there, and we have some powder seasoning and stuff on that side, the curry. Real Indian curry as usual, you know, curry fish. So, see that now, ready now, ready. We are cook some plain rice, you know. Yeah, so we are wash the rice. People see that now, everything in the rice, fish, merengue, everything ready now, people. Alright, so I eat that now. Yeah, see it here now people. Yeah, eat this. Alright. So we're gonna bless the food now and get busy, alright? So let's do that. Amen. Yeah man, so eat that people. So what we are saying now? Well, it's always good to go out and hunt some food, you know, hunt your food and thing for the family. So me I say? Yeah man, so curry fish this now, yeah. Come on. It's good already. So the merengue here, you know, people. See it here? This is the merengue. And what you eat is the inside part of it, right? So you just hold it like this and do like this. Right? Just like that. And then you spit out the trash. The trash is like cane trash, you know, you see it? Look. Like cane trash. So you just throw away that. I'm outside, you know, so we can throw it outside. Alright, so come on, tasting good. Come on, tastes all good, man. See there? This is the fish. Try this curry copa snapper. Anyhow, Good thing, you know. Outside me just still, you know. So you can't chew it anywhere outside. Dirt outside. Snapper time. Snapper. Merengue. Anyhow guys, that's all I have for you today now. Yeah man. I don't know when I'm going back out to fishing, but one of these days I'm going back out to get some more snappers or something else, snook or something else. But for now, this is all I have for you, alright? So remember, you know, to like, share and subscribe. If you're not a subscriber and you like what I'm doing, you like the content, don't leave on without subscribing to the channel. Press the notification bell and give us a thumbs up. Thumbs up each time. Give us a thumbs up so that we can get this channel growing. Alright guys, so that's all I have for you today. Take care, God bless, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Fish on every time. Peace.